All right. What do you think of live-in relationship? Should these be regulated or restricted?
Sir, live-in relationships and their regulation has been one of the provisions in the Uniform Civil Code of Uttarakhand. While they can be regulated to ensure the greater security of live-in partners or rights to live-in partners, however, they should not infringe upon the right to privacy by excessive regulation, and state should not interfere in the extremely personal matters of individuals. So, while I support that live-in
Mo-
relationships can exist, uh, light touch regulation should be the way to go rather than excessive regulation.
Oh, it is very difficult to say what is excessive regulation and what is light regulation.
Okay, sir. So,
No?
so should I
No,
like
this is
elaborate
what I'm
on that?
saying. Yes. When you say this is neither here nor there, when you say that these should be regulated but a light regulation and not a very heavy regulation. The moment you give information or you get it registered, the information would be available with cops.
Yes, sir.
Then
But sir, the need for a priest or a religious leader to support that and no objection from the parents and all these
Why?
clauses,
why
they
do you need a permission from your parents? You are a grown-up person.
so that is actually takes away the freedom that you have in live-in relationships. So that is a point of contention, and that has been one.
No, what you are saying that there is
You are trying to say that that kind of a permission should not be insisted upon, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That was my point.
in the form.
So that's what she.
Stipend form में है.
okay,
Permission
but
from parents.
absolutely.
That's what she's saying.
That's what she's saying.
So you are saying that the permission from the parents is unnecessary.
So that can be avoided as the basic point of live-in relationships is for individuals
Alright,
to understand
okay.
each other.